If I die young, bury me in satin, lay me down on a bed of roses, sink me in the river at dawn, send me away with the words of a love song. If I die young, bury me in satin, lay me down on a bed of roses, sink me in the river at dawn, send me away with the words of a love song.
I remember the first time I blazed up, the first time my joints got laced up, the first time I thought I was big, got smart, turned around and fucked my face up. If tomorrow I died, it would be a bad day if I didn't tell my loved ones goodbye. The evil gets to stay, but the good gotta die. I don't understand God why. You don't know, you will never understand until you see him in the castle like damn. Then it hits you like shit, how am I gonna survive with my friends and fam? Yup, that's what happens every single day. You never know what you have until it passed away. So if I was to die tomorrow, would you show your sorrow? Would you learn from my mistakes or be the next to follow? I'm trying to reach the top but I keep on falling, trying to stand tall but I keep on crawling. God up above, you know my name, you feel my pain, can you hear me calling? I play the fool, I play the clown, I've been kicked down and let down, and I know what it's like to have a loved one die. They were just here in a blink of an eye. Anger, sadness, depression, regret, all those memories you'll never forget. So just know what you have and always cherish it. Never leave without a hug and a kiss. Be positive and keep your head on straight. And remember, there's no need for all the hate.